So I like this look. I was a little skeptical at first, but now I'm really liking this look. I normally put a part in all of my wigs, especially because it can give off a real wiggy look, but I'm liking this. Okay, so yeah, this is today's look. I wanted to do like a flip over look with this bob. I really didn't want to do a part, and I definitely wanted like a asymmetrical look, and I feel like I achieved that look with this wig today. Now this wig is from Myfirst wig. This is their 12-inch silky straight lace frontal wig. You get about 5 inches of parting space like right up in here. But real quick, let me just show you guys how the parting space looks. So you get like 4 inches of parting space. The parting space actually looks pretty good. Gonna look too right with a middle part. You get about 2 inches of parting space on the side here. So definitely if you wanted to do like a deep side part or a side part, you're going to have to shift the wig a little bit, because this is just lace right here. It's just like the traditional lace frontal wig, but you get lace on the side. Now the number one thing that I like about this wig is the lace, the hairline. You guys saw like when I was cutting the lace, it just blended into my skin. I did not spray anything on the hair. I did not put any type of gel on the hair. The lace just literally melted. Sorry y'all, I got Ari on the camera upstairs, so I'm trying to watch her because it's kind of hot today in the studio, so y'all may hear her on my phone getting super excited upstairs. But anyways, so yeah, the lace is like my favorite part of this wig, because when I cut this lace and I saw that it blended into my skin and I didn't have anything on the lace securing it down, I knew then that this is a step up for Myfirst wig. Now the texture of this wig is a silky straight. You guys know I definitely prefer my bobs to be on a thicker texture or density, to be a little bit more heavier, just because I like for my bobs to be full. Now that is definitely a preference thing. A lot of people don't like a full bob, but girl, I do. But nevertheless though, this wig still came out pretty nice. I needed something that was a quick install, and this wig definitely nailed the quick install. I didn't have to do any plucking, no bleaching, just none of the traditional stuff that normally comes with the lace frontal wig, especially a lace frontal wig like this. Normally a lace frontal wig like this, where you get limited amount of parting space, it doesn't come with the pre-plucked hairline, and it doesn't come with bleach knots. So I was really happy that this wig came with all of those things, because I didn't have to waste time doing plucking and bleaching the knots. It's definitely a Myfirst wig. This wig is geared towards the beginners 100%, because you don't have to worry about the hairline. You don't have to worry about blending the lace. As you guys saw, the lace blended right on into my skin before I applied anything to the lace. For my girls who are beginners when it comes to these wig installs, as well as those who are a pro and know what they doing and know what they trying to give when it comes to the wig installs, always appreciate a super easy, convenient, quick wig install. That does it for this super quick install from Myfirst wig. Of course, I'll make sure I have all the purchasing information below if you think this wig will definitely fit your collection. So thank you so much for watching and clicking on today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.